Our idea is to cross all the 60 municipalities of Lithuania and see as much as we can in 2 weeks. Do you think we can make it?
Good morning. Look what I found. Some local fauna.
We still have to get the magnet from Ignalina Tourism Center. We're gonna visit Utena and we're gonna do something that I've never done before that I'm very scared for my life. Yesterday a record was broken by Alekna's son. Very happy and proud of Lithuania that they broke a record in the end. Incredible. Man, it's so nice and so relaxing here with the birds in the background.
Two because they get 125 or 2.
Yeah.
I don't know, I haven't had it in like 15 years.
What is that?
I had it when I was a kid. It's also like this greasy thing. Let's try one.
I think we just witnessed some garbage smuggling on the way. I'm gonna try a few things we got from the store. This is our second breakfast. This is Vilashes. They sell this in the beach. Karštei Vilashi. So let's see how this is. It's not hot though. Oh, it's good. Wow. It has like chicken meat inside. What a better thing than going to Utenas with some warm keptas šeburekas. Ignalina is really cool.
Let's get the lakes near us.
Wow. It's oily. The dough, everything that's deep fried is good.
Sure, maybe about overstanding.
Bite of the meat. Oh. Oh yeah. But it's warm. Oh.
What if there's a car coming in front? Just one lane.
Just move.
I'm going on the opposite road.
Here.
Like speeding.
Yeah. It's a very common thing to speed here, man.
So they have places called chaburekina where they make only chabureki.
I like it a lot because of the feeling. But that's it. The more spots we have, the stronger this gets. You can already feel the energy from the magnets. Here, Ignalina is all of this. It's very big. Labą dieną.
Sveiki.
Vieną surinkti Lietuvą magnetukas, prašau.
Gerai, prašom.
And that
2 euros.
2 euros. Okay. And it's really big. This is a castle that's just there, right?
Yes. That is this castle.
And this castle is very old. No?
It's one of oldest wooden church in Lithuania. Yes.
So it was reconstructed
Just small reconstruction. Degės jis nebuvo rekonstruotas, bet buvo remontuotas.
Quite an interesting stop, this one. This church was built in 1750 without using a single nail. So only small repairs were done afterwards, and the only nails you'll see are from those small repairs that were done in here. Incredible piece of engineering that we have in the background.
Geras, enter good, like being good, įženk, like enter as being good, and then išeik geresnis, leave better.
We are on our way out of Ignalina. There's so much still to see, from its more than 200 lakes to deep forests. But before we go, we must make a quick stop for some beautiful Lithuanian honey.
We're in the Beekeeper Museum in Ignalina. We have to see the whole thing in 10 minutes. We have to pay an entrance. But I mean, look at this. It's out of like The Witcher or like some kind of game like that. It's so cool. I can actually hear the bees Can hear the buzz around in the air.
Arčiau geriau,
Jo,
ne,
va
mes
čia va dar per
baisiai.
vieną galima būtų pasižiūrėti.
And they're flying all over us to know if we are or not good people. So yeah.
Tai aš nežinau, gal tada mums tiek ir užteks, mes galim kokią du.
It's impossible to see the whole thing. It's 4 hectares and we only have 10 minutes. It will take from 1 hour to the whole day. We don't know because it's interactive. There's a lot of information. It's a lot of space, but we saw the beehives just there. A lot of bees. They're very active, but they're very gentle. We just left a donation of €5. I think the bees are just thanking that we left a donation, and now we're gonna get a little bit of medus, of honey, to take home, because the honey here is the best honey in the world. I guarantee you that. It's so good. They're still in the honey, the bees.
I'm gonna try to translate what it's made from.
And what's the difference between this one and this one? Two different.
Skirtumas.
Kremelis. Čia yra skirtumas
Cream.
didelis.
For teeth or something.
Čia liepų irgi.
Irgi liepų. Tai čia visi šitie būtų liepų, jo?
O šitie va. Čia greitai, o čia kremelis.
Ah, this is buckwheat.
This is
From
from
buckwheat. This
buckwheat.
is from linden tree.
Linden tree.
Linden tree. And this is cream. It's like a different
Yeah.
types. Oh, it's €5.
Yeah, I
I
would
think
take
the
one, yeah.
liquid one is nice.
Diena. Pračiau Utena sulig Lietuva magnetukas. Diena.
Prašom, čia užeikite.
Okay, I didn't understand that. Sorry.
Come here.
Yeah, okay.
And
Oh, yes. Thank you. Ačiū. Cortele. Utena sigil. It's a horseshoe and a star. Probably the North Star. So I would guess it's a ton of explorers. You can see either the ocean or the mountains, skiing, the sea, the hiking, everything.
We just arrived in Utena and we already need to get in the saddle and ride on to tackle my fears.
Jau būtų atskirai.
Ai,
Na,
kita grupė
na,
važiuoja. Jo, gerai.
Na gerai.
Kaip įmanoma.
Na,
Kaip jums patogiau.
Kaip jums patogiau, kaip jūs.
For yawning, I'm not sure.
Of course, it's Yanni.
jums šalmų reikės?
Do you want a helmet?
Yeah, I got it. Grab onto here and just jump on it.
Nice. Comfy? She's not calm. She's moving a lot with the head. Carlos, wave.
I am doing
Or
fine.
say a few words.
Barbara is behaving. I was very afraid. Not anymore. This guy is calming me down. And we're going off-road with the horses. I don't know where they're leading us. We're deep down in the forest. And sometimes I need to avoid obstacles. I really don't understand that. What's that? Yeah. Only now I'm seeing how ridiculous I look with a cap on, but it's necessary because I bang my head against the branches so many times. Yeah, I would recommend wearing one traveling across the Middle Earth or something like that. Oh, my horse just decided to stop. My horse had to stop for a quick poo-poo. Wow, I think I'm a knight already. That was impressive. It was so fast. Like we
We left the horses, bye, we went. We didn't really have time to absorb the experience. It was very pleasant. I was afraid of everything, you know, falling off the horse kicking me, the horse going crazy on me. But it didn't, and I barely had to do anything. The horse knew where to go. I just like a few times I had to push him left or forward, call his attention so he would keep on track. He wanted to eat some grass here and there, but yeah, they say horses don't play that much. They really like to run, and I hope he runs a lot freely now that I'm out of his back. We have to be yes people and out of here. I've gained a beautiful experience in life, and now we're gonna visit the museum here in my back. The museum of the horses is here.
Perspective.
Yeah.
And
Transportation methods, I would suppose. Some with a wheel, some without the wheel. All pushed by horses. Where is the place though?
I don't know.
You speak English? Yeah. We're looking for Unveiling Lithuania magnets. Is it here?
You can go.
They asking? Okay. Do you sell the magnets here for this or somewhere else? Speak English a little bit. Frachao Unveiling Lithuania magnetukas. Not here. It's closed.
I'm sorry, what?
This magnet has been playing hard to get, and with time running out, we have to continue the journey and make a quick stop in Ukmergė to have a chance to get the next one on time.
For today, this will be the last stop, Ukmergė, and the rest will have to drive around. Noci Puntukas in Anykščiai, left and...
Go. Ukmergės. Magnetukas, link Lietuvą.
Jau mes išeinam, turim, bet jau išeinam.
Atsiprašom, dar galvom 10 minučių, gal kaip nors suspėsim.
Regina.
Atvažiavom. Lygiai 5. Iš 5 gal.
Yeah, I mean, it was not the most ideal situation, but it's here.
We have it.
Well, that was just in time. We got the last one for today. We did spend a lot of time on the road, and it's already taking a toll on us. Before we finish the adventure for today, we must stop for some quick zeppelini on the road.
Very long day and a nice dinner was overdue. Today we didn't get to do everything that we wanted. Puntukas, I mean, we got to see it from afar. I mean, it counts, right? And we're heading to the camping, but we had to stop in a really cool spot on the way to Mindune. They have they have emus. I don't know how they brought them here, but they're there. In time, I don't know, like he has this vibe, but it's very cozy, it's very traditional. The food is very traditional as well. They have homemade beer. They have sweet honey mead, so good. This cabbage soup with sour cream is like delicious. Look at this.
Oh my god, we were really needing this. And after this delicious food, we decided to take a break for the day. We just have to accept our human nature. But tomorrow, there's more. See you in the next one.